Okay, this is a nice unboxing video. Like any good unboxing video, we've got to use a fancy knife. So I have here a beautiful Damascus steel pocket knife, pretty oversized. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this guy open. This has come all the way from Japan, and boy am I excited to see what's inside. Been waiting a little while for this, and I'm trying not to cut myself. Probably could have sharpened this knife beforehand, but hey, there's the box. They've used some nice tape here, reinforced tape, and yeah, let's just get this out. All right, got some pieces of paper I'm probably not going to look at again. And right, I'll open this from the top. Don't want to damage anything inside, so actually I'll go in from the side. Oh, that's satisfying. That is a very nice sound. Cool, and go this side. Oh, that sound is like bubble wrap. It's so therapeutic. Okay. Very gently avoiding damaging any of the boxes inside here. And there we go. We're in. So we've got two little items in here. These are some pens that I've ordered, pencils, mechanical pencils that I've ordered. I don't know why I'm trying to use my fingers when I've got a perfectly good knife here. Oh, I'm just too excited. Look at this. This is a beautiful piece of work. It's apparently a Mitsubishi, but this doesn't really look like it is. Maybe that says Mitsubishi. I'll have to check with someone who actually can read Japanese. But anyway, this looks like it comes unstuck or untucked. Oh, that's quite clever. It's just a little tuck in there, but I'm just going to try and cut it because I don't have the patience. And that opens up like that. And there we go. Here is, ooh, that is beautiful. It's got one of these very nice, super fine tips. Very fine tip for writing, and it's got a very nice metal grip and shaft. Oh, that is a very satisfying click. Yes, I think this will do well. It's got some writing down the side. I don't know if that means it. I don't know what it means, but anyway, very nice, solid mechanical pencil. Hopefully this will last as long as possible. Right. Other one's the same, so I'm not gonna do anything special with it. And now we move on to the piece de resistance. And this one I'm gonna use a slightly sharper knife because yeah, I really don't want to damage the packaging, because this is a special watch that I could not get anywhere else in the world besides Japan. And it is a watch that can do all the things that I want a watch to do for me. Namely, it can handle ocean water up to 200 meters in depth, and can tell me what the time is. It's obviously crucial. And it can actually tell you what the tide is doing if you set it right. So this is a G-Shock GWX-5600-1 -1 JF. I think JF probably means something to do with Japan, but it's a very sort of premium look. And oh, there we go. Some desiccant there to keep things nice and dry. And there's the watch. This is so exciting. I've waited a while for this. And it's got a solar face and little tide charts. I don't know how much you can see from there. But anyway, it's got a rather glitzy resin cover, and it's quite a bit chunkier than my existing Casio. So I'm going to go and pop this one off. And weight wise, they're kind of similar. This one is stainless steel, so you know it's got a lot more weight to it. This one is actually quite light for its size. Yeah, I think glide means glide. I think is the tide, and then yeah, I'll have to figure out all the ins and outs of this watch. I'll pop that guy off. I don't know exactly what that says. I'll have to use Google Translate on it later. I think it's the tide. What's also wonderful about this watch is that it uses radio frequencies to make sure the time is correct, regardless of where you are, and it'll always stay in time. No. That fits quite nicely, and that feels really solid, like it's not going to come off when you're in the water. Yeah, a lot would have to go wrong in order for this to come off, I think, which is good to know. Anyway, there's a little unboxing video. Now I'm going to have to play around to see what all the buttons do, and probably read the manual. We'll see what else is in the box. Yeah, we just got a manual that I'm going to hope has got some English explanations in it. But it's chunky enough that I think it should. I just might have to dig a little bit to find the English ones. Anyway, super nice box, and yeah, great looking watch. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.